Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pick a role in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys, here in the middle, you're going to find Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. Right here in the bottom, you're going to find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. So we're going to click on my team, and right here, you're going to find yourself in my lineups. Here you're going to find all of the players in your team. In the bottom left corner, you're going to find your jerseys. As you can see, guys, I have the jerseys for the Lakers. And right here, you're going to find your active bonus. For me, I have this active bonus that boosts my currency. So you can see the boost item style from here. We're going to go back. And if you click on view all items, right here, you're going to find all of your items. You're going to find players, boost items, collectibles, quartz, jerseys, and lastly, the unclaimed items. If you go back to my items, my lineups, to the homepage, and then we're going to go to click on any mode that we're going to play. So I clicked on Live Today, NBA, and then click on Play. Once you click on Play, from here, you need to wait for it to load. And as you can see, guys, from here, you're going to find your players. You can change your players from here, and you can change anything that you want about your team. Once you finish, go ahead and click on play, and then you will start the game. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.